Hello guys, I just got back from praying. Now we're going out from this church. What was the church name again?
Our Lady of the Sacred Heart.
Yes. So now we are going out. No parking.
Gagmay. Uy, so naman eh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Agree mo.
Whoa, wow.
Agree mo.
Here you go. Oh no, it's picking up speed. Oh no.
Did you know that you need to blur out the license plates of the car?
How do I blur?
I don't know.
Lord have mercy.
There's no cars now.
Damn.
Upright.
What do you mean? They're not gonna. They're not gonna mind those.
No, they're not. They are gonna mind it.
What are they gonna do?
They need safety.
What are they gonna do?
I don't know.
What are they gonna do?
And then you're
Oh,
make a video
there's
of the
Burger
person.
King over there.
Burger King.
King in the burger.
King in the burger.
Yes.
No.
You know that?
Kita ka?
No.
There, oh.
Oh look, my parents is
Ay,
behind me.
close man.
Say hello. Dunkin.
Donut.
You're cracking bones.
Ano na sa IPI ran?
Oh no.
May 25?
Wee.
Nagparaan.
Oh no.
750 ang
Oh, no.
ano, makala na.
Sige na sila grand, dili sila mo.
750 na ang 5K.
Wala na.
Dahil na pilgrimage lagi sila.
There's another guy passing us. Not trying to show their license plates. Pepito. Oh, that was a fast guy. Another fast guy. Another one guy.
Medtech to si Juan mo na kasi nakatapuan.
Classmate ka-batch ni Ate Ilian.
Kasi kung picture imong mama ka to nag-selfie mo ni Dume.
Ano, ikaw na dahil gitagaan.
Oh, nada.
Anong gitagaan mo ko?
The water bottle's all the way there.
Kasi sa imong mama.
Pepito.
sige kuan. Alapala.
Nada.
There's another guy coming up. Hi. Hello. Hi.
Kasi di pag binuang jud, undang kita sa eskwela niya.
There is a lot to speculate about this video in
Kasi
particular.
papa, ano naman na?
Looks pretty good. My parent is behind us. You see that blue car? That's my parent.
Industries is an older version that came
Wala ipasa nimo.
previously seen in the second
Oh.
series.
Oh shoot. Oh no.
Ikaw naman ka, wala magkampasan ako.
Meaning that this edited image
Ja,
was sculpted
dagi mo si Kuiper, oh.
What in the world?
Cut.
What did you just make?
That a cat?
What did you just make?
Cat. That's
Beer.
a beer.
What is that? What is it for, Dylan? What is it for, anyways?
Valentine's.
you need to keep on
Who is it for?
the names
Oh, okay.
of Pemford, and more importantly, who is she?
Ivan Lista.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Let's go.
For my dad.
No.
Pwede pala ko sinong subang da kung
Oh no, it's catching up. It's Whoa.
Uy,
Wow.
mato ta sa kanang mormons?
Whoa. Oh no, there's a yellow Jeep. Oh shoot. No, he's gonna beat us. Nah. He's gonna freaking beat us. Okay, say goodbye.
To say that these moves may not be
Namatipikon nila din nga.
You see the blue car behind us? There is my parent. That is the blue car right there.
Dili lang ka kalil, UP kalil.
Oh no,
Yung pidil naman daw.
no tayo. Oh,
Luna.
closer. I hear my get back here, bro. Get back here. Yay, we passed this yellow van.
UP man sa
Taas sa shell.
May
Buffalo Brad.
si Alexis sa ano to, Lasat. Ay UP.
and it successfully pauses the game with the video being followed by this
Pero,
footage.
UP. Kay Fernara ang tao nga nabubo nga 1910. Pero,
Murag si
Kuiper.
Murag si nagnakid di ay.
Yippee!
Sa.
Kasi homo.
Boom.
Bubo.
Wow.
Lingaw lagi diri.
Tagpanapalit.
Viva Pete Senior.
Ah!
Suga guni mo god.
Viva Pete Senior! Pinebuena!
Suga sa baso.
Get it.
Doon na sila
Tayo
kaya
ko. We can see you.
Yung sama niya. Hindi ka maugod.
Tama na oy.
Wee! Oh,
Hindi.
Di oy.
Lave jaray. Suroy ta diya.
wow. It's the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
This is a church.
Yes, it did. That yeah, this is that it. Whoa, look on top. Look on top of it. Look on top of it.
Kuya Buila.
CEO
After 3 days, rice.
Oh, it looks like we have hit a wall. Okay, we're back.
Nanasan niya ako ears na kay padong sa taas.
What?
Kami sa kap. Padung ba ko nito? Sa ganyan ganyan. Uy, Jollibee na sad.
7-Eleven. I don't see the 7-Eleven. Oh, there it is.
Uy, maghangara man ka na kay first. Oh, Jollibee oh. Jollibee. Jollibee.
No.
to make someone want to steal them. What's also interesting is that when McCain
Nita no?
with the video of the man reading out random numbers, one of the numbers, 69399, is a single digit away from the vault code 69398. Perhaps this was placed into the simulation to intimidate McCauley, reading numbers that are close to vault codes in order to scare him, with McCauley responding to the report by saying, I
Pindi na
don't
to.
like it. You
Tingkok
may
ko
have
ano
also
nagsuka
spotted
diya.
very small text towards the top of the screen during
Uy!
this scene.
Ano mahapit man ta diri?
AHOLES.
Ito nga itong
Status external.
Okay.
Hindi pwede to.
Amo.
Returning. Returning. Goodbye.
AARU not available.
Sa kanino gani ang kasalkasa
Play
nito.
values.
Mo ning yellow hotel. Inspection ni room ko sa left. Tayo mo sa outbound.
Implies that you're still witnessing some sort of simulation or is still
We're
being
going.
controlled. We're currently unsure how this person managed to put themselves into this scenario with McCauley. However, no matter how
Wala daw nanood uy.
they were successful in stealing the information that they
Daga nanood.
needed
Wala
and putting McCauley back to sleep.
Oh, this is a tight area.
Back within the game show area.
Very tight area.
Confused as to what has just happened, asking McCauley if he's okay, telling us that this may have not been
Kay
possible.
Bolag is Josh.
The next change in the series happens on day 54.
Did you just turn on child lock? Did you just turn on child lock? I just heard something.
Sige lang, magtimpang-timpang ka
Did
diya.
you turn on child lock?
We opened with the company logo and their motto, the fun
Huh?
never ends.
What happened?
Disabled.
Oh, there it is.
There's a
You're now at the.
Kuan man.
What is that?
Which appears to be an early form of
Ah.
virtual reality with the ability to
Senior
transform
citizen mo lang.
Alright, everyone.
Tapad mo?
I'm going to make another part of this after I'm done praying.
Doon sa sila diri.
Oh, goodbye, my friends.
part of some
Woo!